Hi everyone, it is Yen here from Yen's Art. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing a little experiment today. I want to try to see, I basically just want to splatter some paint on a black base coat and only white paint. So I just want to splatter some little cups like these with a little white in it, and I'm gonna try to hold it up here where you guys can see it and just splatter it onto this canvas and see how that works. I'm gonna use regular white paint. I think it's Amsterdam titanium white, but I'm not 100% sure. This is an old white cup that I had sitting. And then I also mix a little Amsterdam titanium white with the AU Floetrol to see if there's a difference in how the splatters come out. So this is just a small experiment. Black based coat like this. I could tell you what I've mixed it with, but this is basically mostly mixed with the US Floetrol. This one I'm not sure anymore because it's an old one, and as I said, this is also Floetrol. So I won't be going into many details about how I mix this, but it's fairly thin. My mixes are fairly thin because I wanted to be able to have an effect when it splatters onto the canvas. So I'll just be putting on some music and hope that you enjoy. And I'll get back to you when this is over. So here's the wet flyover. Yeah, interesting. Not quite what I had expected, but it's gonna be interesting to see how it dries. But yeah, definitely the Aussie Floetrol did add some more interest to it than the regular white paint. So this is done with white paint with Aussie Floetrol in it. Same with this one. This was just the regular white where I then dropped black Aussie Floetrol paint. And the same. So yeah, interesting. Thanks for watching. Bye. And this is the dried result. Pretty interesting. Probably something that I wanna play with a little more. It's really, this really looks like a skull. Pretty cool. But yeah, so dried result. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.